Okay, kindergarten. Does everybody remember what my name is?
Mrs. Q.
All right, great. Okay, so today we're going to play just a really quick game. You like games? Okay, I'm going to flash some fingers up, and I want you to tell me what number you see. And you don't have to raise your hand for this. You could just say it. Okay, ready?
1, 2, 4, 2, 0, 6, 5, 1, 2, 5, 6, 3, 4, 0.
Great job. Okay, so today we are going to make 10. We're going to work on making 10 today.
All
right. You do know some things about 10, huh? All right, great. Okay, so I'm going to tell you what we're going to do today, and I want you to repeat after me, okay? So this is, hopefully by the end of this lesson, we'll be able to do this, okay? So repeat after me. I can make the number 10.
Make the number 10.
All right, here's the other thing we're going to do. I can
Show
the numbers
the numbers
that make 10
make 10
with a,
with a
this is a hard word, equation.
equation.
Does anyone know what equation means?
No. I do.
You do? What does it mean?
Equation means you try to write it.
Okay, it is something you write. It's a number sentence. Have you ever heard that word before?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a number sentence. Okay, so like Eric said 5 plus 5 equals 10. That's an equation. So you guys know about equations already. Okay, I'm going to hold this up, all right? I'm going to hold up some dots. I don't want you to blurt out the answer like we did before. What I want you to do is when you have an answer, I want you to put your thumb on your belly. All right, and this is hard to do because I know you're going to want to blurt out the answer, okay? But when you know what the number is, you're going to put your thumb on your belly, okay? All right. So are you ready? Okay, don't blurt out the answer. All right, here's the first one, okay? I'm going to put this one out. Okay. Oh, I guess I need more. All right, ready? All right. How many do I need to make 10? Put your thumb on your belly if you know. How many more dots do I need to make 10? Don't blurt it out. Put your hand on your belly. All right. Who would like to share their thinking? Who would like to share their thinking? Would you like to share your thinking, Mason? What is your thinking? Do you think the number is 2? Okay. And how? Why do you think it's 2? You can either show me or you can tell me with your words.
Because it has 2 empty spaces.
It has 2 empty spaces right here. Okay. So if we filled those spaces, we would get 10?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. If you agree, do this. If you agree with Mason. Okay. Does anybody have a different idea how they figured that out? How else did you figure that out? He looked at the empty spaces. Did anybody know of a different idea? Esteban, what do you think?
There's only 4 and 4 down.
Okay, where do you see 4 and 4? Can you show me?
One on the top wall and one on the bottom
Oh,
wall.
so you see 4 here and 4 here. Okay. And then how do I make 10?
Add 2 more dots.
And add 2 more dots, and that would make 10? Okay, I see. All right. Okay, I got another one for you. Are you ready? I think this time I'll just hold it up. All right, are you ready? Okay. I want to make 10. How can I make 10? How many more dots do I need to make 10? Oh, you got an idea? Remember to put it on your belly. Just like this and on. What do you think, Jaron?
4 more.
4 more? You think you need 4 more? If you agree with Jaron, you can do this. Okay. All right. So, Jaron, tell me how you know we need 4 more to make 10.
Because there are 4 empty spaces, 2 on top and 2 on the bottom.
So 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom make 4 empty spaces. So if we filled those spaces, it would make 10?
Yeah.
Okay. Anybody else think of something different? Tell me what your thinking is. Yes, Annalise. What is your thinking?
If you add 3, it would fill in these spaces and add 1 more.
Okay, so if you have 3 more and then 1 more, and that would fill them up and make 10? Okay. All right. Well, I've got 1 more for you. I like your thinking. All right. Shh. Okay, you know what? We got another one. We have 1 more. All right, are you ready? Okay. Okay, you know what? Maybe for this one, we can turn and talk and tell our neighbor, okay? But first, I want you to put your finger on your belly if you think you know how many we need to make 10. How many more dots do we need to make 10? If you know, put your finger on your belly.
I know.
All right. Colt, do you have an idea? All right, hold on. Everybody will listen to Colt. Colt, what do you think? So you think we need how many? 6. We need 6 more dots to make 10. Okay. If you agree with Colt, you can do this. Okay. All right. Now he said we have 2 dots, then 2 dots, and then 2 more dots. That would make 6, right? He was kind of counting by 2s a little bit, right? Okay, so if you have a different idea, I want you to turn and tell. Yep, this is where you get a chance to have a turn. I want you to turn and tell your neighbor your idea. How do you know it's 6 dots? Go ahead. Turn and tell your neighbor. Turn and tell your neighbor, whoever's next to you. Celeste, yeah, you work with her. And how about you 3 work together? Turn and tell your neighbor. Tell them your idea. How did you know? Thalia, can you tell Colt? And Rico, can you and Serenity tell each other? What do you know? Can you move? Move over there close to him. That's okay. Go ahead and turn and tell your neighbor. All right. Did everybody get a chance to tell their neighbor?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Give you 1 more second. That's okay. That's okay. All right, everybody turn and face me. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is everybody facing me? Oh, Esteban, I like how you're looking right at me. Thank you. Nice job. Very good. Elise, would you like to share your idea or your neighbor's idea? What do you think? How do you know? Oh, you didn't have any idea. Will you share your idea?
Can I share mine? 3 plus 6 plus 10.
Okay. Where do you see 3 and 3? Can you show me? Where do you see 3 and 3? Okay, so she saw 3 here and 3 here. So if we color, or if we put dots on those 3 and those 3, we'll have 10. Oh, my goodness. All right. Good job. Okay, fabulous. Everybody catch your brain, because you did a nice job of listening. All right, we are done with that part. Now comes the really fun part. Okay? Now, I'm going to call on volunteers. So if you didn't get a turn for that, you might get a turn for this one. You might get a turn for this one, okay? But I'm really looking for listeners, okay, on this one. Okay. So now what I would like for you to do is look at my 10 frame. And I'm going to make my 10 frame into a train. Okay? I know it's kind of silly, but I am. I'm going to make it into a train, okay? So this is the car of the train, and I'm going to give it some wheels.
This is crazy.
I know. And then, all right, the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a plus sign here.
Why is there supposed to be...
Raise your hand if you've seen a plus sign before. Awesome. All right, and then at the end, I'm going to put an equal sign. And today, since we're making what number?
100.
Say it again. What number are we? 10. Oh, I knew everyone knew that. So today, we're making 10, okay? Now, what do we have in a train? Well, people can ride in a train, right? All right, now I know you guys are going to think this is so silly, but I have these emoji people that I'm going to be putting into the train. How many of you have seen emojis? All right. All right. Now remember, where should your eyes be? And what else? What's our other rule? Right? Sit. All right, fabulous. Okay, now kindergarten. What we're going to do is we're going to make 10, okay? And this is a game we're going to play, and this is a game you can play at home, okay? Even if you don't have any emoji people. You could use cereal if you wanted to, or marshmallows, or whatever you wanted to put in your train, okay? I know, kind of silly. But I'm going to show you how to play the game. This is our train, all right? And we're going to fill it with emojis, okay? So we're going to start out. I need some volunteers, okay? I need some volunteers, okay? We're going to roll this dice. And whatever number you land on, that's how many emojis we need to put in our train, okay? You think you can do it? Okay. You've been sitting so quietly and waiting your turn. I'm going to have you roll the dice. Oh, what number did you land on? 6. He landed on what number? 6. If you can make 6 with your fingers, hold it up nice and tall. Yep, that might help him a little bit. He's going to put 6 emojis in our train. So go ahead, kiddo. Put 6 of them in there. All right. Keep your number up high. On your bottom. On your bottom. 3. Can we count with them? 4, 5, and 6. Good job. All right, you may take a seat, sir. Thank you very much. He put 6 emojis in there, but we want to make how many? 10. All right, so I need somebody to write on this wheel the number 6. Who can do that? How about you, Mr. Jackson? Can you come on up here and make the number 6? All right, come on up. Let's use this marker. All right, there you go. Put the number 6 in that first wheel because we had 6 emojis, right? Yeah. Okay, fabulous. All right. What number is this? 6. All right, plus guess what? How many more emojis are we going to need to put in here? If you have an idea, put it up with your finger. Put it up with your fingers. Put it up with your fingers. Do we need 1 emoji? Think about that. How many emojis do we need to fill our train? Oh, my goodness. Okay, is it Jeremiah? Jeremiah, do you know the answer?
5.
5. All right. Well, come see. Come up here.
He knows 5.
Shh. Come on up here.
1.
Can you sit on your bottom so everyone can see?
There's only 4.
Oh, let's let him check and see.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, would you like to change your answer? Okay, fabulous. All right. So, oh, wait a minute. You're not done. You're not done. We need 4. Okay. So can you put 4 in there? All right. Put 4 emojis in there. Go ahead. 2, 3, and 4. All right. Fabulous. Okay. Who would like to write the number 4 in this wheel? Because we put 4 in there. Oh, Caleb. Caleb's going to write the number 4. Now, while he's writing the number 4, can everybody write it up in the air? How would you make the number 4? Nice job, Rico. All right. We are going to read our number sentence. Ready? Everybody help. Ready?
3 more.
I know. We only have 3 left, don't we? All right. Let's help everybody read it with me. Ready? 6 plus 4 equals 10. Fabulous. All right. Would you like to do it again? All right. You know what? It's okay because I need some more volunteers. But I'm only calling volunteers that are on their bottom and are following our shine rules, okay? Those are the people I'm going to call on, okay? All right, this time we're going to use this green dice, okay? So here we go. Can you, is it?
Caleb.
No, the girl behind you. Tell me your name again. Charisma. Okay, Charisma, go ahead and roll that. I see what number you get to put in our emoji train. What number did you get? 2. All right, show everybody what number you got. Show them. All right, very good, 2. Okay, show me the number 2 with your fingers, please, while she puts 2 emojis in our train. All right, very good. 2 emojis. All right, Thalia, can you come on up and write 2 in our first wheel because that's our first number that we are looking at.
Well, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Need you to sit down, buddy.
Well, we can't get the...
All right. Can you write the number 2? Thank you. And you know what? You all get a turn because you all can write the number 2 up in the air. Nice job. Okay. All right. You know what? Sometimes, hey, Thalia, let's, come here. I want to show you. You wrote your number backwards, okay? Fabulous. Nice job. All right, thank you. All right, this is the last time I'm going to tell you. I need you to be on your bottom. Otherwise, I'm going to send you to the back row. Okay? Thank you. All right. Oh, Eric, you are looking so patient over there. How many emojis are we going to need to fill our train?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What are you counting? What were you counting on our train?
The squares.
The squares. Were you counting the empty squares? Yeah. Okay. Who agrees with Eric? Who agrees? How many are we going to put on there?
I agree.
8. Okay, Eric, come on up. We're going to all count with Eric as he puts those emojis up into the train. Are you ready?
1,
2, 3, 4, 5. What's our time? Do you know the time?
7, 8, 9.
Did we get off one? Did we get off one? Okay, let's not count the first 2, right? Let's count again. Ready? 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. All right, Eric, thank you very much. Okay, Alicia, right? No, Alicia.
No, Elise.
Oh, no, this one right here.
Aria.
Aria! Oh, my goodness. Mrs. Pugh needs to seriously come in here more, right? Okay. Can you come up and make the number 8? All right, no worries, everybody. How do we make the number 8 up in the air? Ready? Awesome. Great work. Is that an 8?
Yeah.
All right. Who would like to read this number sentence all by themselves? Before we read it together, who would do it? Serenity. Can you read the number sentence? Here we go. Just Serenity, and then we'll all do it. Ready?
2 plus 8 equals 10.
All right. Let's all do it. Ready. Here we go.
2 plus 8 equals 10.
Very good. Pat yourself on the back because, boy, I see lots of people still on their bottoms waiting for their turn. Fabulous. All right. Landon, you've been sitting back there in that back row. Can you roll the dice? Yeah? Okay, we're going to use the green dice again. I'm going to toss it to you, all right? And you roll it. Everybody, let's see what he rolls. What did you roll, Landon? Once, show everybody.
It went over to me, so I'm just showing everybody.
You're showing everybody. Thank you, Eric. All right, here we go. So, Landon, you put 1 emoji, whatever emoji you want. 1 emoji. All right, thank you, Eric. You were so kind to help our friend. All right, 1 emoji. Now, I think you guys know what we're going to have to do next. What are we going to have to do next?
High five?
Esteban, you have an idea? What are we going to have to do next? Esteban knows we got to write the number, right? All right. Esteban, will you call on somebody who has not had a turn to write a number? All right, I'm going to have you go to the back, sir. Okay, go to the back, all the way back by your friend Jeremiah. Jackson Lobdale. All right, Jackson Lobdale. You get to put the number 1. Everybody write it up in the air. See if he writes the right one. Fabulous. Is that the right one?
Yeah, but it's easy.
It is. It isn't. Yes, it is. Thank you, Jackson. All right, now this is a pretty tough one. We only have 1 emoji in there. So how many more emojis are we going to need to make the number 10? Oh, and I'm looking at people that are sitting on their bottoms. Celeste, do you think you know how many we're going to need to make 10? How many? 10, you think? You want to double check? You want to count? Should we count with you? Go ahead. Count. What are we going to count? The what? All right. 1. Help count. Ready? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many more emojis did we need to make? We needed 9 more to fill our box, didn't we? All right. I'm looking. Do you think you can make the number 9? All right. Now, this is a harder number, right? It's a bigger number. So let's see. He's going to write the number 9. The rest of us, let's make the number 9 up in the air. See if you know what number it looks like. Oh, I drew the same number as you. Good job. All right. Oh. It's backwards. Can you fix it? All right. Let's try again. Ready? Down. Yeah, there you go. Fabulous. Oh, we don't need the little twirly, though. That's a fancy one, isn't it? You've been practicing making fancy numbers, huh? All right. Let's see. Rico, do you think you could read our number sentence for us? All right, go ahead. 1 plus what's this number? What's this mean? Equals. Very good, Rico. All right, let's all read the number sentence. Here we go.
1,
Oh, let's read it again. What's this right here? Plus. Plus means we're going to put 2 numbers together. What 2 numbers did we put together? We put 1, and then we put that 9 together, right? All right, so let's all read it together. 1 plus 9 equals. All right, now I want you to, Justin, your friends are trying to tell you that they can't see. Can you stay on your bottom? Thank you. All right, good job. Okay, fabulous. All right, we did lots together. Put your hands down, and I am so very proud of your listening today and what you know about numbers. Do you guys have one of the best kindergarten teachers around?
Yeah.
I didn't know that you guys could do that. So, everybody kiss your brain one more time, right? Pat yourself on the back, right? And shake your neighbor's hand and say, good job. Good job. You just did a lot of math work today. Fabulous. All right, eyes on me again, okay? Now, we have learned how to make the number 10 today, okay? We did it as a class, we did it as a group, but I'm not so sure. I want to see if you guys can do it on your own, okay? And I have some emoji trains.
Yay!
All right? And so what you're going to do is exactly what we were doing up here, all right? Hold on. You're going to count, listen, you're going to count how many emojis are on the train, and where's that first number go? In the first wheel, right? And then, what's going to go in the second wheel?
I'm putting emojis on there.
Well, but before you do that, what are you going to do? The other numbers, the empty boxes, and then you have to do the empty boxes, all right? So I want to see if you can find the 2 numbers that make the number 10. And Mrs. Pugh already has the plus sign, and I already have the equals 10, just like I did up here, all right? What are we making? What is this called? A number sentence. Does anybody remember that? Does anybody remember? Do you remember? I can make equations. That's that word that's hard to say, but I'm sure we'll learn it, okay? All right, fabulous. Okay, boys and girls, you have done a nice job today, and as I give you a paper, you need to go back to your seat. Okay? I'll give that.
After when we get done?